Today we're going to Epcot, and it's Mommy's birthday.
Yeah. First we're gonna ride, whenever we get there, we're gonna ride Soarin.
Soarin. You wanna go ride? We'll walk over to the Contemporary and
we're
catch
gonna
the
ride the
Monorail.
Monorail.
Yep, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. Where are you going? Across the bridge to Contemporary, Contemporary. Waiting for the monorail.
Yay!
We gotta go to the Transportation and Ticket Center,
Yay!
change to a different monorail, and then we go to Epcot. Okay, we're on the monorail, going to Epcot via.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas. If you've just joined us, welcome aboard. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of us.
Epcot's looking a lot different now. They've closed off the fountains. A lot of partitions. A lot of things are either closed or about to close. So the big transformation that will be completed sometime in 2021.
Around the world. We're gonna go all around the world, and then later we're gonna eat around the world.
Around the world in 80 seconds.
Is that really how long a ride is?
No. Now we're going over to the seas with Nemo. See if we can find Nemo. And Dory.
Explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Where?
That's why we're trying to find him.
Find who?
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
He's my son.
We're in the seas. There's lots to do and see here with Turtle Talk with Crush, and you can see all kinds of fish and play areas, exploring. Turtle Talk with Crush. Righteous.
Help me out. Everybody say, rip it. Roll it. Punch it. Oh, dudes, here I come. Yasmin, check it out.
Hey, Crush, watch out for the glass.
Thanks, Hank. What is this? Do you know? Buzz Lightyear, dude, that makes sense, dude. Every couple of minutes, this thing's been like, Buzz Lightyear to the rescue.
Ooh, hello there! Hi, humans!
Dory, Destiny, been having this epic combo. Dude, now that you're here, Dory, can you teach him to speak well?
Destiny could teach them. She taught me.
Nice.
Only she were here. I am here. Wow! Well, that's freaky. Okay, everybody, repeat after me. Hello, whale.
1, 2, 3, 4.
the Figment ride next. Journey into imagination, but first, the best bathrooms in Epcot. Walk around the right side and behind this pavilion, and you have some super secret bathrooms. And you'll find the bathrooms that will never have a line. Back here behind the Imagination Pavilion. The journey into the imagination. Great scientific minds like Professor Wayne Zielinski, Philip Brainerd, and Nigel Channing. See if you can find Figment. Sefty, where's Figment? Let's go find him.
Start appearing, and each of us imagines different things. From just the sound, your mind has wings.
Let's begin by using the eye chart to test your vision. Now, all together, if you would please read line 3.
With F-I-G-M-G-M-T, you can see things differently. Woohoo! You win 1 cent! Lighthouse and innovation, imagination really clowns around. Makes downside up and upside down. Now here's a real open house. Come on in. Exactly what I imagined. Imagination is the brain open house. Be a dream come true. Live just that far from me and you.
Creation, right at the start of everything that's new.
Figment.
Look at the buttons I stepped on. You just touched it.
Alright, let's do it.
Make a call and drive it.
That's it? We're gonna make a car and drive it?
If you were designing this,
What's the ride called?
So,
sharing a single design station.
Test track. Designed our cars. How was that experience?
So much fun. They both loved it. It's not a race, but it is a race.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track. We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. SimCar performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SimCar off-road and extreme weather sequence. Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
crash avoidance technology disengaged.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test.
Pink car? Alright, how was our car?
Well, mine and Zeffie's car is very environmentally friendly, but we can't drive in rain and we can't go fast. So,
but it's good for the environment.
It's good for the environment.
That's
because
good.
You don't drive it.
That's right. Lulu's making a commercial. Who's gonna be narrating? Who's gonna be talking? A cowboy, a spaceman, a superhero.
Mission accepted.
Okay, now hit the next one. Music. We got guitar. And what are we going to talk about? Responsiveness, capability, or efficiency? Do another one. You're not very efficient. Do a different one. Alright, that's good. Alright, now hit play.
As a secret agent, getting out of tight spots is part of every mission. It can mean the difference between getting home or not getting home at all. Introducing responsiveness by Chevrolet. Introducing efficiency by Chevrolet. It's all about the mission. Nothing more, nothing less.
And now we have a big Chevrolet commercial. Guardians of the Galaxy ride. Eventually. And here we are at Mission Space. Doing the less intense experience this go around.
Candidates. If you are uncertain whether Orange Team More Intense Training is right for you, we strongly encourage you to select Green Team.
We're going to Mars.
Or proceed to the Advanced Training Lab, which offers alternative space training activities for all astronaut candidates.
Lulu, do you know what color Mars is? No, that would be incorrect. Mars is the red planet. How are we feeling, team? We ready to go?
You may exit
ready to go to space?
Ask a uniform team member for directions.
You're a commander. Commander Zeffie.
Landing sequence. Surgeon, how are we doing?
All good for launch.
A reminder, Commander.
Ask them where the playground they can play for 5 minutes.
Playground, yeah. Food and Wine Festival. It's the Mimosa Bar. What you got?
Frozen mimosas. It's very good. I just took a sip.
The Mexico Pavilion. Alright, sorry, what do we got?
Red sangria and a taco de puerco, which is a pork taco with a green sauce on it. Salsa verde.
We're inside the Mexico Pavilion. Lots of cocoa stuff, some stuff from the Latino heritage. They have a restaurant. And of course, Three Caballeros. On the ride. Riding Spaceship Earth. Everybody excited about Spaceship Earth?
Always.
Yeah.
What?
Affectionately known as the Big Ball.
And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future.
Look at us! What do you have on me? I have right here.
But even in a perfect world, accidents do happen. Three is with you at all times on a smart tools to teach you about the world outside your window. The best surgeons in the world are always on call, thanks to real-time video links and remote control instruments. No time at all, you're back on your feet. Uh-oh. Fortunately, in the future, help is never far away. The end.
Good job, Dr.
The beginning of the future.
There we are on the Earth. Monica and the Sakatepi. There we are.